Now the interactive transparency tool is one of my favorite tools in CorelDraw, and it's really powerful and easy to use. In here, let's these three ones have this two images here. Actually, this is a shape and this one is an image. Let's start with this one here. I put some transparency effect on this one here. So this one is just an ordinary rectangle like that. Okay. And let's say I color it this one. I'll remove the outline. And in order to use the transparency tool, you just go to the icon interactive transparency tool, and I'll click and drag going up, or you can go down like this. Okay. But I'll make it going up. And in here, the slider, you can adjust the slider by click and dragging the slider wherever you want it to slide. And this one too you can adjust. Okay. So once you put that in a dark background, you got that nice transparency effect. Okay. So in here, the original photograph, I'm just going to remove the transparency. Okay, the original photograph or image is this one here. Now you can create transparency by clicking on the transparency tool and click and drag going up, or you can go going down. So that's how you make a photograph fade in and fade out. Okay. Now in here, let's say I have this image here and I want to apply transparency, but just a uniform transparency and no fading in, fading out. So you click on your transparency tool, and in here in the property bar you just click on uniform, and there you got a uniform transparency. And in here you can change the transparency. Okay, it's uniform, not like this one here. This one is a radial transparency or a linear transparency. Now let's go to this one here. Sometimes the interactive transparency tool is also used for highlighting objects. So for example here, I use blend to do this ball here. But let's say I want to make it realistic. I want to make a highlight over here. So I can use my ellipse tool to create the shape, and I'm just going to put it somewhere there, and I'll color it white. I'm going to remove the outline. Okay, and I'm going to go to my interactive transparency tool, and then I click and drag going down here. And if you notice, it created a highlight. Okay, so I can adjust the shape there. Okay, and you can still change the transparency by adjusting the position of the slider and the position of these two boxes here.